Hi students, welcome to Gagan Online Academy. In this session, I am going to introduce the chapter Linear Equations of Class 8. Before going to begin this chapter, let us recall some basic concepts which you have studied in your class 7 and 6. Let us know what are variables and constants. See variables. We have two types of symbols in algebra. One is variable and another is constant. One is variables and another is constants. See here, these are two symbols we use in algebra. Variable. Here vary means changing. Vary means changing. That means these variables do not have fixed values. They do not have fixed values. These are called variables. Whereas constants have fixed values. They have fixed numerical values. All English letters A, B, C, and so on, X, Y, Z. These all English letters are considered as variables, whereas numbers, all real numbers, considered as constants. After that, let us know what is equation. We come across equation in this chapter frequently. Equation is a statement of equality. It is a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantity, one or more unknown quantity. So equation means simply it is a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantity. The symbol for this equation is equal to, is equal to. Now let us introduce our chapter linear equation. Linear equations, linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable is an equation. In this, we have one constant and multiple of one variable. Multiple of one variable. Linear equation in one variable. It is an equation which has only one variable. It has only one variable and constant is called linear equation in one variable. If I take some examples, 5x plus 4 is equal to 6 or 7x minus 6 is equal to 10, 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. These all are examples for linear equations in one variable. Here, all the three equations, we have only one variable, that is x. Linear equation in one variable. It is an equation which contains only one variable, and highest degree of that variable is 1. Let me write this one. It is an equation which contains only one variable. It is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, or ax plus b is equal to 0, or ax plus b is equal to c. This is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. If you see here, variable is x. These a and b are real numbers. A and b are real numbers. See some more examples I am writing. 5x plus 4 is equal to 6. 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. If you observe carefully here, in the first equation, we have variable x, and these are numbers 5, 4, 6 are numbers. Degree of this variable x, see exponent of variable x is 1. Here also variable is 1, degree of variable x is 1, and 7, 4 and 0 are constants. So that's why these are variables. These are linear equations in one variable. You can choose any variable. 7y minus 5 equal to 6. Here also y is variable. Its highest power is 1. So that's why this is considered as linear equation in one variable. Simply, if you don't find any x squares, y squares, x cube, y cube, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, then they are considered as linear equations in one variable. Simply, we don't find any squares, x square, y square, z square like this. Only we find single variable with multiples. Okay. Standard form of linear equation one in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. Here it indicates a straight line. It indicates a straight line. If we draw a line, we get one straight line. So ax plus b is equal to 0 indicates a straight line if we graph it. Now here we have to find value of x. That means value of variable. This value of variable is called solution of the equation. So these linear equations have solutions. These are called solutions or roots. Solutions, or we call them roots. Okay. So here, if I take 5x plus 3 is equal to 10. See, here variable is x, its degree is 1, highest power is 1. This is called linear equation in one variable. It has one solution. That means it has one variable, one value for this variable. If you substitute that value in the place of variable x, this equation will be satisfied. That is called solution. That means solution means it is a value of variable for which it satisfies the given equation. I will make it clear by taking simple example. 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. So here I am taking some values. If I take x is equal to 4, see 2 in the place of x I am writing 4 minus 5 is equal to 3. 2 4 is 8, 8 minus 5 that is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Here also I got both LHS part and RHS part are same. So this x is equal to 4 is called solution or root of this given equation 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. So in this way, linear equations have their roots. That root we have to find out. So now we will discuss what are the rules to solve these linear equations. Here solving means we are required to find variable values of variables. Now we are going to discuss that. To solve linear equations, we must follow some rules. Same number can be added to both sides of the equation, or same number may be subtracted from both sides of the equation. Third rule is same number, both sides may be divided on both sides. These are the three rules to be followed while solving linear equations. I am writing this. Same number or quantity, same number can be added to both sides of the equation. Rule number 2, same number or quantity. Sometimes we use variables, that's why I am using the term quantity. Same number can be subtracted, from both the sides, of the third rule, both sides of the equation, both sides of the equation may be divided, may be divided by a non-zero quantity, non-zero quantity. So by doing all these things, there will be no change in the equation. By adding or subtracting or dividing by a non-zero number, there will be no change in the equation. So here we have to find variable value. That is the important thing in solving linear equations.